going on, guys? I am back from my holiday and this is pretty much all the footage that I got out of it. I did something absolutely stupid last night and I accidentally deleted half of the footage, so I didn't get as much as I wanted, but I still got a good amount of the snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef. As you can see, some of the flights recorded, and then just some time lapses and some pictures that I got throughout the whole week we were there. Airlie Beach is a beautiful place to go and I definitely recommend for people to go there. Here was a time-lapse video of the view we had from our motel. It was an amazing place. We had 2 infinity pools, a normal pool and a spa on top of just our apartment room. It was really nice and the weather was just absolutely perfect for us up until the last day where we had a fair bit of rain, but we were pretty much driving back to the airport by then, so it didn't really matter. Here was us on our way out to the Great Barrier Reef. A lot of the Great Barrier Reef, it was regrowing stage because they just had a massive hurricane 15 months. I think it was one of the worst that Airlie Beach has ever had. And obviously it swept away a fair bit of the reef. But after 15 months of growth, it was still pretty colourful. There was plenty of fish and just the coral was amazing. I would have loved to go further out to the to nicer parts of the reef to see more vegetation and stuff, but still it was a really good experience. The water was really cold. I actually wish I wore a wetsuit. As you can see, Airlie wore a wetsuit there, but I didn't, which was probably the stupidest thing ever because I was pretty much just freezing my tits off the whole time, and a lot of the time my videos were just shaking because I was so cold I couldn't hold the camera still. I didn't really want to do a vlogging video per se because I didn't actually record myself very much, so I thought this would be a lot better where I just do a whole heap of the GoPro footage that I did and then just talk over it afterwards, which turned out alright. As you can see there's parts of this, I think it was like in a little bay, so it's like this is the very start or the bottom of the Great Barrier Reef, and then obviously it goes all the way up to the top of parts of Queensland, but just this little bit here was really protected, so you didn't have to worry about any sharks or anything like that. It was just an amazing place. Now this clam thing was the weirdest thing ever. It was massive. It's just this massive block that I have no idea. It looked like a vagina. You can see there that looked like a vagina. But I'd never seen anything like it. That's why I spent so much time looking at it. It was really nice. But most of I think there's another 2 minutes of just me exploring along the reef, and then a couple of nice pictures of the Hill Inlet, which I think Pirates of the Caribbean 5, I think it is, had like a 10-minute video, or 10 minutes of footage there. And it's a really beautiful place to take pictures. But other than that, I'll just let the video play from now on. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll start doing videos more consistently now that I'm back from holiday. I have 1 week off, so I'm going to try and do as many videos as I can to try and keep it up while I'm at work.